Good day, everyone. I'm here before you now to discuss a matter of great importance, the future of our community. For too long, we have allowed our city to stagnate, held back by the inaction and indifference of our leaders. But the time has came from us to rise up and demand the change we so desperately need. Consider the crumbling infrastructure that pledges our street, potholes, and broken sidewalk litter our neighborhoods, creating hazard from drivers and pedestrians. Like our public transportation system is woefully indicate, leaving too many without access to reliable means of getting to work or school, and our public services from school to parks to healthcare facilities are underfunded and underperforming. This is unacceptable. We deserve better. We deserve a city that works for all its residents, not just the privileged few, a city with modern, well-maintained roads and bridges, a city with a public transit network that connects every corner, and a city with thriving public institutions that enrich the lives of all who live here. But to achieve this vision, we must first tear down the barriers put in place by those who seek to maintain the status quo. We must challenge the intre- interest, interest and political mechanics that we have keep our community stagnant for far too long. We must organize, mobilize, and make our voice heard. Only then can we build the city of the future, a city that works for everyone, regardless of their zip code or socioeconomic status, a city that is the pride of our state and the envy of the nation, a city that fulfills the promise of our shared American dream. My friend, the time for change is now. Let us come together shoulder to shoulder and fight for the future we deserve. Let us be the generation that transforms our community and paves the way for generation to come. Thank you and God bless. Great city.